Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, February 6th, and this is my analysis of the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the US dollar CAD, I'm still looking at this as possibly a wave A, and this right here is possibly an ABC correction, like a wave B that's already completed. I still think there's a very good likelihood this is going to go down and make a wave C, which would put us all the way down to about the 100% Fibonacci extension. Or maybe if we're lucky, it'll go down and make a wave three, which will put us way down to about the 161.8% Fibonacci extension. So either scenario, let's take it down to the weekly, get a closer look. On the weekly time frame, definitely been going up very strong for several weeks now, as you can see, but I'm definitely still counting this as 5 waves down for wave one. I'm definitely still counting this as possibly a wave two. So I am looking for a Fibonacci bounce with it, which at this point I think is either the 68 or 78%. And I'm looking for a nice shorting opportunity for the wave three. Eventually it should go down, make a three, a four, and a wave five, which I still think this is going to be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C based on the higher time frames. So taking it down to the daily time frame, to me it kind of seems like it's making some sort of a WXY because it does look to me like this is 3 waves up. This looks like 3 waves down. It kind of looks like 3 waves up for a W, 3 waves down for an X, and now we're either making 5 waves up, which would actually qualify as a flat, not a WXY, or this is going to turn into like 1, 2, 3 waves up, maybe something like that for an ABC of wave Y. But I would definitely be watching the 61% and the 78% for a possible turn, possibly the end of a wave two, and the continuation of the downtrend for the bigger wave three. So taking it right down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, this is where you can kind of see that a little bit clearer that this is definitely a wave C. This is 5 waves down, 3 waves up, 5 waves down. So that's an ABC also. Now we're in an uptrend, which I definitely don't see any reason to think the trend is over. I mean, we are at a Fibonacci level, but boy, it is definitely still making higher highs, higher lows, and I am definitely going to continue to look for longs on shorter time frames. Taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame mid, we had a beautiful entry to go long this morning on this thing. I actually think this right here was the wave A, this right here was the wave B, and this right here is the wave C. I'm definitely still holding this trade. I'm holding a long on this trade from last week, and some of the members of my Patreon group have probably took this trade with me and sitting in some very, very nice profits. So I do still expect that it will go up. I think there's a good chance it will break out of this area. So if we do see some more pullbacks, I definitely will continue to look for longs at the end of these pullbacks for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.